In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import products from Oberlo to your Shopify store. Now, if you want to find out how you can import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, then click on the video on the card right now. But if you want to do this with Oberlo, all you need to do is go to Oberlo, of course. Then right there, you can click on search products, or you can go to the import list if you already have products available. Now, let's say that I want to import this product to my Shopify store. First of all, you want to click on add to import list right there. Then go to the import list, and then this product that should now show up right here. So it's adding the product, as you can see right there, new design, mixed color, bamboo toothbrush, eco-friendly, and blah blah blah. So we'll just have to wait for this to basically be added to my import list, and then I'll show you how you can get it onto your Shopify store. Okay, there you go. So right now I can see the product in my import list on Oberlo. What you should do next is click on import to store right there. And as you can see right there, this is now being imported. There you go. So if I now go to Shopify and refresh this, you'll now see the product right here. You can then click on it and you can then customize the product. But that's pretty much how you can add a product from Oberlo to Shopify. Like I said, if you want to do this with AliExpress to Oberlo to Shopify at once, then click on the video that's available in the cart right now. And then that's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.